Good morning, good morning, good morning to you and you and you and you and you and you. We're just coming to you live today from the workshop. We're just packaging up orders. Just wanted to let you guys know about our awesome sale. Well, it's not really a sale. It's just like we're able to offer the same prices that we offer at the market. We're able to offer them now online. So visit our website, nigelsjamaicanalmondworld.com, and visit there and get your bath bombs. Somebody is going to be very happy. So we have a couple orders to package up. This is the first one. And this is where your bath bombs come from. Machine. Yes, man. This one machine and my one arm makes all of these bath bombs. So I hope you enjoy them and love them. Get in on the market prices. All right, you guys. Love and bless. Bye-bye.